Hi, hello. My name is Kaveri Ramchandra Kapala from Standard 6A. So, today I am going to solve some word problems and sums based on the topic operations on fractions. So, now it's our solving time. So, let's start, friends. Chapter 4 Operation on Fractions. So, first is addition. So, our first example is 7 1 upon 2 plus 2 3 upon 4. So, first step is to multiply. 7 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 upon 4. Now here you have to first solve this. 7 multiplied by 2 means 7 2s is 14 plus 1 15 upon 2 plus 2 4s are 8 plus 3 11. Now you can notice here that the both fraction denominators are different. So here you can notice that this is small and this is big. So how many times it goes? So it goes 2 2s is 4. So wait. Now we will write down again 1 2 plus 11 1 4. Now we will multiply 2 2s is 4 and we will say multiply by 2 only numerator. Now equal to 15 2s is 30 and 2 2s is 4. Same we will write here also. Now you can notice that both denominators are same. So we can easily add it up. So now we will add 13 plus 11. 30 plus 11 upon 4. Now 30 plus 11 we will add roughly here. 3 plus 1 4. It's 41. So is equal to 30 plus 11 is 41 1 4. Now we will divide this roughly here. Now 4 tens is 40. Now we will minus it. 0. Now our answer will be 10 1 upon 4. Okay. Now we will move on to the word problems of addition. Now this is one example of addition word problem. Now see, Aditi brought 1 upon 2 kg of potatoes and Gauri bought 3 upon 4 kg of potatoes. How much kg does Aditi and Gauri bought all together? Now we will solve. Now our first step is to write how much kg they bought. Aditi bought 1 upon 2 kg of potatoes and Gauri brought 3 upon 4 kg of potatoes. Now we have to first add this, but first we have to plus multiply. So 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus same 3 multiplied by 4 plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 2 2s is 4 plus 1 5 upon 2 plus 3 fours is 12. Plus 3, 15. So 4. Now we have to now you can notice that here the denominators are different. So then how much now here 2 is small denominator, so we will multiply. 2 how much goes to 4? It goes 2 2s is 4, and same we'll do for this also. Then our next step we will write 5 2s is 10, 2 2s is 4, plus 15 as it is, it will come down. Now we will add this 10 plus 15 upon 4. Now here we will do rough work. 10 plus 15 is equal to 1 plus 1 2, 25. Now it equals to 25 upon 4, which equals to 25 upon 4. Now we will divide this. Here we will do rough work. Four 5 is 24, 6 is 24. So 4 6 is 24. Now I minus 1. Now our last answer will be as 6 1 upon 4. But this is a word problem, so last answer will be as kg. Now here we got the answer as 6 1 upon 4 kg. Now we will write answer. Hence Aditi and bought 6 1 upon 4 kg potatoes all together. Now this is of fraction. Now we will subtract 3 upon 4, 2 1 upon 2. Now we will equals to, now we will multiply. So 3 multiplied by 4 plus 3 upon 4 minus 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2, which equals to 3 fours is 12 plus 3, which equals to 15 upon 4 minus 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 is 5 upon 2. Now again same we will write down. So now you can notice that denominators are different. So here in this denominator is smaller, but it's divisible by this denominator. So we will multiply. How much it goes? 2 2s is 4. Now when we multiply it by the denominator, so same we will multiply with the numerator. Now which equals to, we will write first as it is, minus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now here you can notice that The denominators are same. Now it's easy to subtract. So 15 minus 10 upon 4. Now rough work we are going to do here. We'll minus 15 minus 10. So 5 as it is. So we got the answer as 5. So which equals to 5 upon 4. Now we are going to divide this. Now 4 ones is 4. 1. Now the answer will be 1 upon 4. Okay. Now this is an example of subtraction word problem. Manasvi grows 2 upon 5 onions, 1 upon 3 tomatoes and remaining lady fingers. On how much part she grows lady fingers? Now first of all we will write the part of garden in which Manasvi grew lady fingers is given by one whole part. Now we will write it's given by one whole part, but if there is no denominator then we will write only 1. Now we will write same down. Now when we write here, then we will see only this much part. Now here this is small, but it is not divisible by the bigger denominator. So what we will do? We will multiply cross multiply we will do. Now we will multiply by 3, 2 multiplied by 3, 5 multiplied by 3, and we will multiply by 5, 1 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 5. Now when 2 3s is 6 and 5 3s is 15. This also minus 1 multiplied by 5 is 5, 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Now come to this part. Now when these two are same, then we will write this also same down, and we have how much it goes for 15 goes 15 times, same up also. Okay, which equals to 115 is 15 minus 6 upon 15 minus 5 upon 15, which equals to 15 minus 6 minus 5 upon 15. Now we will multiply roughly. When we will multiply minus 6 by up 6, then it comes as now an answer comes as 9. From 9 again we have to minus 5. 9 minus 5, which equals to 4, which equals to 4 upon 15. Okay, now we will write it in answer form. Hence Manasvi grew lady fingers. Now this is an multiplication example. Now let's solve. It's 3 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 5. So which equals to, we'll write as it is. Then which equals to 3 multiplied by 2, then 4 multiplied by 5, which equals to 3 2 za is 6, 4 5 za is 20, and this is our answer. Now this is an example of multiplication word problems. Sonal has 13 acres of farmland. If she planted 2 upon 8 wheat, on how many acres she planted wheat? So first of all, I have written how much acres, and if there is no denominator, so we have to write 1 over there multiplied by this. Now what we will do, we will which equals to 13 multiplied by 2 upon 1 upon 8. Now which equals to 13 2s is 26 and 1 8 is 8. Now what we now now Sonal has 13 acres of farmland. So in that she wrote 2 upon 8. So we'll write here like this. Then we come to the next. Now here I will write 13 upon 1 multiplied by 2 upon 8. Now which equals to 26 upon 8. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. So the last answer will be Sonal planted 3 acres wheat. Thank you.
Here we end up with our solving time. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe from coronavirus.